Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. On this video I'll be showing you how I make some chicken tomato sauce. You need some paprika, bell pepper, tomatoes, onion, chicken breast. You will need some seasonings of your choice, any oil of your choice, some tomato paste and pizza sauce. So just go ahead and slice up everything, the tomatoes, the pepper, and then also the chicken into bite sizes. Put a pot on fire to preheat. After a while, add your oil and then add your onions and let it fry until it be translucent.
Choose it, don't lose it, don't get confused it. Only then you'll be God. Feel like.
Ahead and add the fresh pepper or the bell pepper you've sliced already, and then also fry for a while. Then after about 1 to 2 minutes you can add the tomatoes. So once the fresh tomatoes has fried or you feel it is okay, so you just have to stir fry continuously in order for it not to burn. Then allow it to fry for a while. I had to cover it because you need to smash it on the and I didn't want the mess
Throwing aside, I can't wait to start. You should go.
so after a while it's really it has really fried. So all you need to do now is to again, so once you stir it and it is okay, at this moment it is okay, so I had to go ahead to add the breast, the chicken breast, and wait for it to fry it. I would have fried the chicken breast first, but I didn't want it. I just want that freshness and taste in the sauce, and then I added some spices. So just mix everything together and wait for it to cook. Wait for it to boil. If you'd like, you can skip the step which I added water. Or you can also add water if you like. But I added it with the water so it will be too thick and so it will also cook, not just frying only. Yeah, so that's how the sauce goes. That's basically it. And I mean, you guys need to believe me when I say this sauce tastes really good. So after a while I just cover it. After mixing everything and incorporating everything, cover it too. Oh yeah, you can see what happened there. The cover took some of the stew out, so I had to like attempt it. So after a while it's ready, it's bubbling, it's boiling. Yeah, it's really the aroma in the kitchen was so good. You can even feel it from the camera. Yeah guys, so this is my chicken breast fillet tomato sauce. It's really delicious. You can give this with rice, you can give it spaghetti, potatoes, whatever you want to eat it with. So yeah, that is just all about my recipe. Here I had to cover it again to boil further, so the oil can come up. So this is what it is at the end. Here guys, I am so glad that you dropped by my channel. You're watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful life.
Reinforce me, make me your shining star.